Have you ever gone through that stack of bills on your counter and you realized, oh no, there's a bill that I missed and I didn't pay it? That's the worst feeling ever. But today I'm going to show you how I organize my bills in one place so that nothing gets missed. This is my full bill tracking system. It's super simple to use. Everything is one place. It's not cluttered. This bill tracker spreadsheet is available on my website. You can buy it at savvyandthriving.com. I'm going to show you real quick how this works. First, you want to go through and write down all the bills that you have for the month. Rent, power, water, gas, things like that. Any subscriptions that you have, any random things that go through automatically that you don't remember, go through your statements and just make sure you've got it all written down. Then we'll go ahead and proceed with our sample. We started with rent, and then we can put the company name. We'll just put landlord here, and you can put their phone number and their website information, and then what your monthly rent is, and then the due date. So we'll put in the first of the month. Once you have it paid, you check it off. What payment method did you use? Cash, card, check, or ACH? And then what was the date that you paid it, and any notes. The notes are really great to remember, do I have something that's due soon? Were there any fees I need to discuss with somebody? Things like that. So it's just important to write it all down. The nice thing about the monthly amounts is it will track everything in a chart so that you can see, what am I paying the most on? You've got $700 for a car payment, you've got $1,200 for rent. So you can really see at a glance what you're paying the most on. Also, this will count up how much is your monthly totals for your bills. And this will give you a great picture so that you can start budgeting and knowing what your expenses are every month. And your annual totals, which can be different. Your HOA dues, say you only pay that once a year. Well, you've got to figure that out somewhere, and you don't want to miss that, because if it happens to jump up on you and you realize, oh my gosh, I've got this massive bill that I forgot, that's scary. And so it's really nice that you can have it all here in one spot. This will also add up your totals for your monthly and your annual, so you know, okay, this is how much my expenses are every year, so that you can plan your budget accordingly. So what my routine is I come in and I work on my finances every 2 weeks. So on the 1st and the 15th, I'm sitting down and I have a system where I'm looking at my budget, I'm looking at my spreadsheets, and I'm just documenting what's going on, paying my bills, looking at my paychecks, and looking at my expenses. So all of that stuff I have as a routine. I have it set up in my calendar, and I remember, okay, on the 1st and the 15th, I'm going to come and sit down and I'm going to spend, I spend 30 minutes to an hour looking at everything and then making sure that everything is where it needs to be. So it's really nice because once you have a nice routine in place, it's easy to keep up with it and go, oh yeah, it's the 1st. I need to go sit down and do the finances. And that way, that helps things not to get behind. And that way, you're actually going to look at your bills and what to do, and you're keeping an eye on it every couple weeks instead of just being surprised by something that pops up out of nowhere. So this is a super simple tracker. What I love about it is that, there's not so many features on multiple different pages and you get lost in the clutter. Everything is right here just so you can see it simply. And this makes it to where I feel like I can actually use it and I want to use it because it's really, really simple. So now I don't miss payments. I know what's coming out of my bank. I feel completely in control of my money. If you love this sheet, please visit me on my website at savvyandthriving.com. The link is in the description below, and let me know if you have any questions. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.